Meniscus injuries. The meniscus is a horseshoe piece of cartilage, there's two of them in each knee, that separates the leg bone from the thigh bone and acts as a cushion to buffer between the two. Depending on the force that's applied, or even an injury of everyday life, can rip the meniscus and cause a lot of pain. The way it feels in the symptoms are your knee is locked and you don't want to straighten it out. Meniscus injuries are very treatable. A very minor arthroscopic surgery is done. During the surgery, this orthopedic surgeon who's trained in sports medicine makes a nick in the skin, puts in an arthroscope, cleans out the part of the meniscus that's damaged and is ratty. That's a kind of a roto-rooter. That's called meniscectomy. And in some cases, in younger folks, the meniscus actually is so badly damaged, it needs to be repaired, even sewed back together or tacked down. And that's called meniscal repair. So meniscectomy or meniscal repair are both highly effective. Pain relief is immediate. You're back on your feet when you walk out of the surgery center. Really great surgery, great outcome, and quick recovery.